How many are ready for another game? Say aye. The name of this game is called as Suspend. இது இப்படி பெண்டதா இருக்கும். இங்க தான் எல்லாமே மாட்டணும். Please watch carefully. So this is one dice. இதெல்லாம் you will see there are colors only. You will see color bars. These are suspends. Okay. So நீங்க போடுவீங்க. Pot of blue. There is one thing you will again use only one hand. இதால we are only playing one round. Communication is allowed. The last game la learn பண்ணிட்டோம். We have learned the importance of communication. Okay. So in this blue இருக்கு. Blue. Yes. This is blue. இந்த இடத்துல ஒன்னு தான் மாட்டணும். Understood? Then let us say Robin is playing. Robin first விளையாடுறாரு, சீனிவாசன் போடுவாரு. Then yellow. இந்த இடத்துல மாட்ட கூடாது. Here only one. Correct? Understood? Then black. Black. Understood? Here you will only have one. Here only one. Coach இந்த இடத்துல இப்படி மாடி no. நீங்க மீதி எல்லாம் இது மேல போடணும். Understood? You will get how many minutes? Vinod sir? 5 minutes. இதல பண்ணும்போது let us say இப்படி ஊந்திருச்சு. நீங்க இங்க இருந்தே கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம். இந்த ரெண்டு எடுத்து மேல போட முடியாது. Understood? Also one more thing. நீங்க போடுறீங்க all the blues have got exhausted. Then you again roll the dice. The team which puts the maximum number of suspends on top will get 500 points. So on your mark, get set, go. 5 minutes. Start. Three, two, one, and time. Thank you so much for the participation. Give yourself a big round of applause. Participation equals to fun. How many are having fun? Say aye. Fun equals to lessons and learning L and L. என்ன learn பண்ணதல? What do you learn? Tricks. Balancing. Everything is balancing. It's all about balancing. இதல சரியா balance பண்ணா you can do that. You want to know the trick how to balance it? Yes sir. Again, last game la enna learn பண்ணோம், இந்த கேம்ல என்ன learn பண்ணோம், இந்த ரெண்டையும் வச்சு நீங்க combine பண்ணா you'll be a winner. Everybody, coach, please give me that secret. இல்ல எல்லாரும் சரியா கேட்க மாட்டீங்க. Come on everybody. Gajalakshmi is not asking. Everybody, coach, please give me the secret. I'm going to show you the secret. Rather than I'm going to show you how it is, we are going to play round number 2. Round number 2 is very simple. Is everything. Last game, what is the biggest learning? Sundarajan sir? Foundation, tough, balance. There are two skills. Two skills which is needed to have a happy life and a successful life. There are called as soft skills and hard skills. Soft skills and hard skills. Schools and colleges made us very good with hard skills. Soft skills, life skills, personality, communication, adalla katti kudukala. We need a balance of that. And the run balance இருந்தா we'll have a very good foundation. I'll teach you how to make foundation. Come. See, இதால என்னன்னா, there's a trick. There's a trick in this. Okay. இதால எந்த color வந்தாலும் you will be able to see how fast I will build. And second round ல விளையாட போறோம். Again, same. One hand you will use. But you will be surprised that you can put all the things. Anybody who is able to put all the suspends on top will get 1,000 points. How many points? 1,000. But you have to follow this technique. T for technique. T for technique, T for trick, T for a template. நம்ம அந்த மெத்தட் ஃபாலோ பண்ண எல்லாத்துக்கும். Please remember, successful people don't do different things. கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? Successful people don't do different things. They do things differently. So please, foundation strong இருக்கணும் and balance maintain பண்ணணும். See this. I'll see this. I'll work on making a foundation. One hand, blue. I will make a square. I'll make a square and rectangle. எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து அது மேலே வச்சிருவேன். First you need to make a strong foundation, blue. Then black. I will make it very, very quickly. It'll happen very fast. Orange. So for me it doesn't matter. People say, coach, idu varla, adu varla. So immediately I'll start making a foundation. First I make a base. Okay, sorry. Black. So now I have already started creating a foundation. Now I have to put this side. Orange. That's it. My foundation is ready. This is my foundation. Now I can start maintaining the balance. I have created a square. So first objective is create a square or a rectangle. If you have that, then you can keep putting. There is only one thing you have to be careful with. Yellow. In the yellow, correct observe பண்ணுங்க. What is wrong with yellow? Yellow, dirty fellow. So this fellow is it's not balanced. Everything is balanced. So yellow வரும்போது நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும்னா yellow will lock பண்ணனும். Let us say if I am putting yellow here. Let us say I am putting yellow here. Yellow is an unbalanced fellow. So yellow நான் வந்தா அடுத்து என்ன வருது அது வெச்சு yellow will lock பண்ணனும். Blue. Yellow வெச்சு நான் blue lock பண்ணிடுவேன். You understand? I will put this and I will lock the yellow fellow. Yellow is locked. Now I'll get back to my game. Again, blue. Now I need to put where? I need to put here. Now you will be able to see I can keep putting wherever I like. It doesn't really matter because I am having a what? I am having a balance, foundation. போட்டுட்டே இருக்கலாம். It don't have to worry anywhere. It will stand as it is. Okay? It will be as it is. You'll keep putting. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Base is very, very important. Schools and colleges, we learned on competency wise a lot, which helped us get a job. But leadership skills,
You have to improve.
soft skills kudukla. Hard skills we learned so much core competency. I've seen people who are very good engineers, but they cannot present an idea properly. Isn't it? Please, we need a balance of both if we want to grow. So balance of life skills and study skills, both we need. Competency, hard skills இருக்கணும், soft skills இருக்கணும். College தெரியுமா? Anybody cleared college very recently? Last 2-3 years back? Anybody? Almost everybody. But college நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா last final yearல 5 days ஏதோ ஒரு class soft skills சொல்லி ஒரு class வைப்பாங்க. போதுமா அது? போதுமா? ராஜநந்தினி is an HR. Do you find the difficulty in interview? அவனுக்கு நிறைய தெரியும். அவனுக்கு உட்கார்ந்து ஒரு லைன் பேசுறதுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். Correct? It is very, very difficult. So please, foundation base. Now you see, when the base is built, you don't have to worry anything. You can put how much ever you want. You don't need anything. I'm just roughly putting, but did you understand? First, build a base, square or a rectangle. But still use only one hand. First focus என்ன இருக்கணும் இது. But yellow வந்துருச்சு. For example, yellow வந்துருச்சு. If yellow comes, let us say, yellow startingல வந்துருச்சு. இவன் this fellow is unbalanced. இவன் என்ன பண்ணுவான்? ஊந்துருவான். அவனுக்கு எப்படி பண்ணணும்? Lock. He will not go anywhere. You will lock. Yellow, dirty fellow. Got it? So please work on the foundation.